Hello everyone, I'm Amit from mailsmartly.com. Today you will learn how to add birthdays in your Outlook calendar. There are couple of methods and I will walk you through both the methods step by step. The first method is when you create a new contact, you will add the birthday in the contact during filling the form. So I will show you from the left navigation section, you will see this option which is people. Click on it. That will take me to the contact segment. Here I will click add a contact. Now this form is available. I have to fill it. So I quickly fill this form. Now here is an option add others. When you click on it, you will see few options here and there is an option which is birthday. When I click on this birthday, and now this birthday form appears. Now I have to select this options here and I have to fill up this. Today is 30th of December. I will show you how it works. I use December here. The date is I use 31st and the year is 2023 and simply hit save. Now your form and your new contact is created. You will see here few information here. You can also use this added contact to modify the form or modify the information. Now I will show you when I created this contact how the date of birth is added in the calendar. So simply again go to the navigation section and here is the calendar. Click on it and you will see on 31st the birthday of my contact is added here. See, I am also getting the reminder. I have already set the reminder to 17 hours before the date. So you can also click here and you can add it from here also. Or there is an option you can very easily delete this birthday from your calendar. So this is the first method. Now the second method is if you want to add the birthday of that person which is not in your contact, you can very easily go to the mail from your navigation section. From the top left corner, you will see this option new email. Click on this arrow which is drop down. Click on event. Now this new event dialog box appear. Now here also you have to create a new event. So I want to create an event which is birthday and my name. I can also add the attendees if I need. So the date is, again I select 31st, 7. Now the end date is also 31st. Now this is the option which don't repeat or there are few other options here. So this is basically I want to make that appointment or that event on the recurring mode. Every year I need notification or this reminder to be pop up on my screen. So I use this yearly. Now again repeat on 31st of December. Repeat every year on 31st which is selected. Choose the end date. I don't want to choose any different date. Simply hit save. Anything else, if I need to add some information or description here, I can use it and simply hit save. That way I have created another method to add birthday to my calendar. Now again I go to my calendar and I will see 31st. Now +2 is visible. That means there are two events. When I click on this date, you will see from the right panel, you will see two birthdays. One I have created through my contact and one I have created manually through my event. And another bonus tip I can share with you, you can also create a birthday directly from your calendar. So simply go to your calendar and if one of my friends' birthday is on 2nd of January, simply click on it, double click on it, you can say. Now again that event dialog box appear. You can fill up the form similarly as I have told in the earlier option and simply hit save. This is also the method you can use to fill up directly using your calendar. So these are few options you can use to add birthday in your Outlook. And if you can make some smart changes, you can also get reminder a day before the birthday, or you can also set a pop-up screen reminder if you want to. These are few additional benefits you can get from Outlook. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. And as a disclosure, I have explained all the details to you in the new Outlook platform. Thank you and have a nice day.